Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broken out another falling wedge pattern, and in today's video we will take a look at the next expected move of Bitcoin. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. And yesterday I was showing you that the price line formed another falling wedge pattern. We have several touch points at the support, and we have few touch points here and a big gap, and again few touch points here as well. Now recently we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge, and after breaking out we retested the support, and now we are likely to gear up from here. So far the price line is still moving at the resistance of this wedge, and for example, if it proceeds further and move up from here, then our target can be here approximately at $44,000. That will be the top of this falling wedge. Now if we take a look at the oscillator, as I was telling you, that there is also a bullish divergence on this 4-hourly time frame. Like we can see that the price line was forming here lower low, another lower low. And if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI was forming higher lows. So there was a bullish divergence on this 4-hourly time frame chart. In this breakout we have with the bullish divergence, therefore we can expect that this move will be proceeded further from here. And if we take a look at the 1-hourly time frame chart from here, then on the very small time frame on here, 1-hourly time frame, we have another triangle formation, and this is another ascending triangle. Here we have the support of this newly formed ascending triangle, and this is the resistance that is coming from here. And right now the price line is bounced by the support of the triangle as well. Now if we take a look at the target for this small triangle, then after this breakout the imminent move can be beyond $39,000 at exactly, you can see $39,500, where we have very strong resistance as well, because previously this level has been working as a very strong support. This is the daily time frame chart, and here we can see that this was, by the way, the $39,500 that can be the expected target after this breakout from the triangle. And we can see that previously this level has been working as a very strong support here back in January 2022, and here in September 2021 as well. And here it has been working as a resistance from 21st of May to 15th of June. And even before that, here it has been working as a resistance on in the month of January 2021 as well, here and here, and also here in the month of Feb as well, in Feb 2021. Therefore, this time, if the price line starts the reversal move from here after breaking out this wedge and breaking out this triangle as well, then this can be a big hurdle for the price line to start a big move from here. However, if we take a look at the target of this down channel, that can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $68,000. Now, next few hours are again very important for Bitcoin. If we will break out this resistance of the triangle, then the further move will be confirmed. Are we going to hit the target for this bigger falling wedge that has been formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart or not? Because the target for this falling wedge is approximately $44,000, and right now we are moving at $39,979, very close to $38,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.